Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to limit who can see all your past Facebook posts. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone and click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now I want you to scroll down until you see Audience and Visibility, and under that, click on Post. And here you can see an option to limit who can see past posts. Click on View, and then you just need to click on Limit Past Posts and confirm by clicking Limit Past Posts again. And that's it. That's how you limit who can see all your past Facebook posts. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!